Are you feeling stuck in a rut and in need of a major comeback in life? In this video, we delve into the teachings of Buddhism to discover how you can make the greatest comeback of your life, how to overcome obstacles and find inner peace. Lesson 1. Embrace change. Buddhism teaches us the impermanence of all things. Change is the only constant in life, and resisting it only leads to suffering. Instead of clinging to the past or fearing the unknown, we must learn to embrace change with an open heart and mind. By accepting the transient nature of life, we free ourselves from unnecessary attachments and find liberation in every moment. One of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism is the acceptance of change and impermanence. Nothing in life is permanent, and learning to embrace change is essential for making a successful comeback. Instead of resisting change, learn to flow with it, adapt to new circumstances, and see every challenge as an opportunity for growth. Embracing change doesn't mean passively accepting whatever comes our way. It's about cultivating a mindset of adaptability and resilience. Just as a tree bends with the wind to avoid breaking, we too must learn to flow with the currents of life, trusting in our ability to navigate through whatever challenges come our way. Everything, our circumstances, emotions, relationships, shift like sand dunes in the wind. Rather than resisting change, embrace it. Understand that life's ebb and flow is an opportunity for growth. When adversity knocks, greet it with curiosity. Adaptability is your superpower. Remember, the lotus blooms most beautifully when it accepts the impermanence of its petals. Embrace change, for within it lies the seed of transformation. Lesson 2. Let go of regrets. Regrets are like heavy baggage weighing us down, hindering our ability to move forward. Buddhism teaches us the art of letting go of past mistakes, missed opportunities, and unfulfilled expectations. Dwelling on regrets only perpetuates suffering, trapping us in a cycle of self-blame and negativity. We must practice forgiveness, both towards ourselves and others. By acknowledging our mistakes with compassion and understanding, we can release ourselves from the burden of regret and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the past. Rather, it's about freeing ourselves from its grip and embracing the present moment with renewed clarity and purpose. Regrets are like anchors that weigh us down and prevent us from moving forward. In Buddhism, the practice of mindfulness teaches us to let go of the past and focus on the present moment. By releasing regrets and forgiving yourself and others, you free yourself from the burden of the past and create space for new possibilities. Imagine a river. Regrets are like rocks obstructing its flow. Acknowledge them, learn from them, and then let them drift away. Cultivate forgiveness for yourself and others. The present moment is where your power lies. Don't let yesterday's shadows dim today's sunrise. Lesson 3. Restore your confidence. In the face of adversity, our confidence often takes a hit. We may doubt our abilities, question our worth, or feel overwhelmed by self-doubt. Buddhism teaches us that true confidence arises from within. It's not dependent on external circumstances or validation from others. To restore our confidence, we must cultivate self-awareness and self-compassion. By recognizing our inherent worth and acknowledging our strengths, we can overcome feelings of inadequacy and insecurity. Through mindfulness practices, such as meditation and self-reflection, we can quiet the inner critic and tap into our innate resilience and wisdom. Recall moments when you conquered challenges. Trust that you can rise again. Confidence isn't loud. It's a quiet knowing that you're capable of weathering storms. Self-doubt and fear can hinder our ability to make a comeback. In Buddhism, the concept of self-compassion and self-love is emphasized. By practicing self-care, meditation, and positive affirmations, you can restore your confidence and belief in yourself. Remember, you are capable of overcoming any obstacle that comes your way. Lesson 4. Stay flexible and open-minded. Life is full of twists and turns, and rigid expectations only set us up for disappointment. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of staying flexible and open-minded in the face of uncertainty. Rather than clinging to fixed outcomes or rigid beliefs, we must approach life with a sense of curiosity and adaptability. Staying flexible doesn't mean compromising our values or principles. Rather, it's about being willing to adjust our plans and perspectives as needed. By letting go of rigid expectations and embracing the fluidity of life, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and opportunities for growth. Rigidity and closed-mindedness can limit our potential for growth and success. Buddhism encourages us to stay flexible, open-minded, and receptive to new ideas and possibilities. By cultivating a mindset of curiosity and openness, you can adapt to changing circumstances and seize opportunities for growth and transformation. Lesson 5. Consider the future. The past is a teacher, but the future is your canvas. While Buddhism encourages us to live in the present moment, it also teaches us to consider the consequences of our actions and choices. Mindful planning and foresight are essential for creating a future that aligns with our values and aspirations. Consideration of the future involves setting realistic goals and intentions based on an understanding of impermanence and interconnectedness. By cultivating mindfulness and awareness in the present moment, we can make conscious choices that contribute to our long-term well-being and fulfillment. By reflecting on your goals, values, and aspirations, you can create a vision for the future that inspires and motivates you to take positive action. By aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with your vision, you can manifest the comeback of your dreams and create a brighter tomorrow. Lesson 6. Make a realistic plan. In the face of adversity, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and directionless. Buddhism teaches us the importance of making a realistic plan, a roadmap for navigating through challenges and achieving our goals. Dreams without plans are like clouds without rain. A realistic plan involves breaking down our objectives into manageable steps, setting priorities, and staying focused on what's most important. By cultivating mindfulness and clarity, we can discern the most effective course of action and take deliberate steps towards our desired outcome. Making a successful comeback requires careful planning, organization, and perseverance. In Buddhism, the practice of mindfulness and intention setting can help you create a realistic plan for achieving your goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and stay committed to taking consistent action towards your desired outcome. To make a realistic plan, break down your comeback into manageable steps, prioritize your tasks, and create a timeline for completion. By staying focused and committed to your plan, you can overcome obstacles, stay on track, and achieve success in your comeback journey. Break down your comeback into actionable steps. Be realistic. Don't sprint when you need to pace yourself. Seek guidance from mentors, books, or meditation. Your plan is your compass. Follow it diligently. Progress may be slow, but it's steady. Lesson 7. Prioritize self-care practices. In the pursuit of a comeback, self-care often takes a backseat. However, Buddhism reminds us that true well-being arises from nurturing our body, mind, and spirit. Prioritizing self-care practices is essential for maintaining balance and resilience in the face of adversity. Self-care is essential for maintaining physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. In Buddhism, the practice of self-care is seen as a form of self-love and compassion. Prioritize activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, such as meditation, exercise, healthy eating, and spending time in nature. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, but necessary for making a successful comeback. By making self-care a priority, we replenish our energy reserves, strengthen our resilience, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. By taking care of yourself, you can recharge your energy, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being, enabling you to make the greatest comeback of your life with strength and vitality. Making the greatest comeback of your life is not about avoiding challenges or achieving perfection. It's about embracing the journey with courage, resilience, and compassion. By incorporating the teachings of Buddhism into your life, you can navigate through adversity with grace and wisdom, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before. Embrace change, let go of regrets, restore your confidence, stay flexible and open-minded. Consider the future, make a realistic plan, and prioritize self-care practices. These are the keys to making the greatest comeback of your life.